and they stop, and and it's on the other side of the street, and they just close their eyes. Sometimes they've done films. I don't know if you've ever seen. I've seen. With my friends, they travel in a bus around Russia and Europe. They take films of the people observing the kirtan party. They have some devotees that they're dressed in regular clothes, and they go and film the kirtan party, and they film the response. So it shows all kinds of people, old people, and young hip people, and it shows how they're responding to the first impression of this kirtan. Their eyes closed, you go. These are total non-devotees. They're just regular people of the material world, but somehow that hypnotic sound, the sound, the Shabda Brahman of Krishna's name, Krishna's flute, Krishna's name, fame, flute, everything. So the gopis are telling us, Veno Gita Samohitarya, Arya Charitan. So the gopis are saying, we heard his Venu, he played his Venu, and we forgot all about going to college, and we forgot all about milking the cows, and we forgot all about our Sri Dharma and Sati Dharma, Pati Dharma, and Ashram Dharma, and Varna Dharma, and all of our Arya Charita. Arya Charita means the proper behavior of a religious, moral person. It's gone because we've been bewitched. We've been hypnotized. Some mohitarya. It's beautiful. And that's going on all the time. Right now, there's somebody in St. Petersburg in Russia experiencing sammohita, Arya Charita. Sammohita, Arya Charita. Everything's going fine, all the schemes and plans, and all of a sudden a whole new world opens up inside your mind. A whole new set of desires lines up in your heart, and a whole new way of life manifests in front of you, just by a sound vibration. Lavamatra sarvasanga sarva siddhi hoy. Just one moment of transcendental sangha can change everything. So the gopis are warning everyone, be careful with this person. Look what happened to us. Look what happened to us. Veno Gita Samhoitari Arya Charitam. Upon seeing we're the most magnificent, beautiful person in all the three worlds, not only us, but even the birds, the cows, the deer are all elated and experiencing bodily ripplings of bliss. This is one translation. Ripplings of bliss. This is a translation for pulaka.